How to book your Philippines hotel room by using mobile app. Okay, let's move on. Welcome. How to book your Philippines hotel room by using mobile app? First of all, you have to install the Philippines Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video here at the description part. And the link is look like this one. Or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install the Philippines Best Travel Guide mobile app. Okay. After you have installed this Philippines Best Travel Guide mobile app, please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Philippines hotel room fast and easily before you travel to Philippines for vacation and holidays with your family and friends. Okay, now let's go to the Google Play Store. After you have installed this Philippines Best Travel Tour Guide, click on this open button here. Then it will open up the Install Philippines Travel Tour Guides mobile app here. And you can browse through this app and you have to look for the first row in the middle of this icon called hotel booking. Tap on it or click on it and it will bring you to the hotel booking page. Okay, let me enlarge the screen for your easy viewing. Okay, this is the page for you to search all the available hotels in Philippines. Okay, you can browse through different hotels from different cities in Philippines. Okay, for example, let's say I want to book a hotel or just browse through this list of top destinations in Philippines. And I tap on, let's say, Makati City. Okay, scroll to the list of this Philippines hotel list and select the hotel that you want to reserve. Or you can search any hotels in Makati City by input your check-in date and check-out date. Okay, let's say I give you an example. I just click on this. You can see there's a rating here. 2-star, 5-star rating score here. Let's say I choose this City Garden Grand Hotel at Makati City, Philippines. Fabulous review. I just click review and then it will redirect me to the page showing me a bigger photo size of this City Garden Grand Hotel. Okay, you can read through this hotel introduction or you can browse through the hotel picture here, hotel photo. Okay, this is a restaurant of the hotel and this is a bedroom, hotel room, this hotel. Okay, now let's say I want to book this hotel, but before that, you can browse to this page, look at the hotel features, their review score, and then the guest review, if any. Okay, then if you let's say I want to book this hotel, I just select the check-in date, March, then go to this, select a date. To adults, check availability and prices. Then I go to look at the price comparison to book this hotel from a different hotel reserve provider. Okay, I can even click here, compare for more website, and it will look to another page that show me the other provider. Okay, you browse through this page and choose the best deal. Let's say I want to book this hotel by choosing this one, Priceline.com. I want a superior king room. I just click this review, and then it will redirect you to the provider website to book the hotel room for me. Okay, let's wait. It will load within a few seconds. Okay, then now when come to this page, okay, say this is a city garden I want, right? Let's click on it to reserve this hotel room. Okay, now I even can look at the photo of this hotel again. This is a hotel room. Okay, let's say I want to reserve this hotel room for one night. Okay, under this superior king room, I just click here, reserve. Okay, and then this one is for 2 guests, 2 person. Smoking preference is no smoking. Okay, and then this one is free cancellation, and then I click on the next step button, and it says you are almost done. And come to the next page, it will require me to input my details such as my name. Okay, let's say I input my name here for demo. And it's King, and my email address is king@email.com. Okay, then I click here. I'm the main guest, and my country region, and my contact number, just for demo purpose. Okay, then I scroll down to the bottom, look at hotel room booking details, and then I'm trying forward. It's optional that I have to answer this question. Next, I click here to final step button. Okay, and this page will show me my City Garden Grand Hotel room booking information. Okay, and from this page I have to key in my credit card details, okay, to make payment and complete my booking. Of course, I will stop here, and this is the final step. Once you input everything, okay, it will, after I click this my booking button, it will complete my hotel room booking and will email the hotel room booking information to a given email address. Of course, this one I also can cancel for free before 28th of February 2020. Okay, once you have done, okay, go to check your email and click down here to exit this hotel booking platform or channel, and you can browse through more on this Philippine travel tour guide. Look at the places that most tourists like to visit when they travel to Philippines. So how are you going to book this hotel booking? Get this hotel booking app. Just go to this Google Play Store or click on the link below this video, or you can scan this QR code with your mobile phone QR scanner. Okay, so thanks for watching. Remember to click on thumbs up, like this video, and tap on the notification of this video, the bell notification. Okay, and also share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.